Hello classic car friends, today we're looking at this beautiful Volvo P1800 S from 1965, and this is the original color for the car, nice grey. This car had some major work done to it. It's got 4 new fenders, new rocker panels, new rear, new fenders also in the rear and the back. After that, full repaint, sandblasted underneath, new coating underneath, new chrome, new taillights as you see here. All the rubber has been replaced around the windows, new aluminum trim. All the chrome details pretty much is perfect, fitted with new Volvo original mirrors there, new Michelin tires, sandblasted painted wheels, original curved lenses there, the grille. You see everything is really in top shape on this car. Everything comes with a binder full of invoices for all the parts that has gone into the car. Looking inside, we have a new leather interior in red, new door cards, all the chrome on the inside of the car is also very good. New rubber seals in the doors, new carpet. Dashboard is really good, just tiny little crack there right above the key, otherwise really perfect dashboards. Instruments are absolutely gorgeous. The chrome on the instruments is just immaculate. The leather interior is really nice and tight fitted, no wrinkles. Original seat belts, which is really rare to find today. Nice. Original headliner, sun visors, good chrome and good steering wheel. Those are often cracked. Also the aluminum panels on the dashboard is also in very good condition. Door closes nice or perfect. Have a look at the other side. Gonna look a little bit in the engine bay also. Every single detail here has been sandblasted or put new. Engine was out, new bearings, new pistons. Every radiator hose is new, fuel hoses new, carburetors rebuilt, new battery, new clutch cylinder, brake cylinder, joints in the front end. A new wiring loom complete in the entire car. All the wiring is new. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good car. Let me know if you're interested. Thank you for watching.